Hey everybody! I was thinking about germs recently, especially with all the sickness going around, and why it's so important to wash our hands. So I wanted to show you a little science experiment. So here I have a little bowl of water, and I'm going to put some germs, not real germs of course, in it. So imagine that I'm standing and I have my bowl in front of me, and all of a sudden, ha, ha, ha-choo! And here are my germs. There's a little bit of pepper. So I have my germs sitting in my bowl, and if I put my finger in, they get all over my finger. You can see the pepper on there. There's a little bit of pepper on my finger. Gross. So that would be if we didn't wash our hands. But over here, I have my little thing of soap. So I'm going to take my other finger and dip it in the soap. So this would be like if you were washing your hands really good with soap and water for 20 seconds. So I have my soap on my finger. I'm gonna put it right in, and look at those germs scatter. They do not want to be by this soap. They want to be as far away from it as possible. So this is just a little experiment. You can see why it's so important to wash your hands with soap and water. It gets rid of those germs and helps keep you from getting sick and others from getting sick. All right, till next time.